Queensland's severe thunderstorms and tropical low systems represent significant meteorological phenomena that have shaped the region's climate patterns for centuries. Historical records dating back to the 19th century document the cyclical nature of these weather events, which typically occurred during the summer months from November to March. The tropical low systems, particularly those forming in the Gulf of Carpentria, have been systematically tracked since the establishment of formal meteorological services in the region in the early 1900s. These systems developed due to the convergence of warm ocean waters, typically above 26.5 degrees Celsius, and favorable atmospheric conditions, with approximately 3 to 5 significant systems forming annually. The Christmas period specifically has seen an increased frequency of tropical low development, with data from 1970 to 2020 indicating that 23% of major tropical disturbances in Queensland occurred during December. The economic impact of these weather systems is substantial, with the agricultural sector incurring average annual losses of approximately $150 million due to crop damage and livestock losses. Infrastructure damage averages $80 million per major event, with the most severe recorded events causing upwards of $500 million in damages. The 2010-2011 season was particularly significant, with 12 severe thunderstorm events and 3 tropical low systems causing widespread flooding across 75% of Queensland's agricultural land. These weather patterns have led to the development of sophisticated forecasting systems, with prediction accuracy improving from approximately 60% in the 1980s to over 85% by 2020. Future projections through 2050 suggest an increase in the intensity of these systems by 15 to 20% due to changing climate patterns, with potential for more frequent extreme precipitation events. AI-enhanced modeling systems are being implemented to improve prediction accuracy to over 95% by 2030, with early warning systems potentially reducing economic damages by 30 to 40% through better preparedness measures.